Yeah,
Fred.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, so what I'm saying is you walk right, and then they'll come firing.
Yo, I'm storming the shit out of that thing, dude.
Left.
You know what? I'm gonna get around the back. Coming from the back.
Okay. Coming from the back, and then when we see you coming through the back, when we're on the right, we'll rush in, alright? So you can shoot down that long hallway. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
You can come down that long hallway. We'll penetrate from the right.
Alright, look, I want to show you guys a good technique. Like, that way you both don't get fucked up. One person in the front, the second one directly behind him like this, and just follow in all the way down.
Okay, well, I mean, I'm taller than you, so I can put my
you'll be in the back.
on your shoulder.
Got it?
Okay, let's go.
Alright. I'm hauling ass. Wait, I'm going left.
That's cheating. Get your ass in the maze. Grab him.
Get up, get up, get up.
Grab him, get up.
Go.
Let's go. Run.
Run.
Come on, go. Let's go.
Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb?
Bomb planted. Where's the hostage? Right here. Watch out.
Reloading!
There's a guy right here.
Back up. Alright. More hole, all the way in the
Got
back.
him. Day's down. Sorry, Day, I love you.
Dad's peeking. Dad's peeking. Like you're right, ready?
He was behind you. You guys are... Game's over. That's game.
Yeah, I don't know.
Cold foot!